Welcome back again to my channel. We are going to talk about AI tools in Photoshop. So let's get into the video. Certainly. AI, artificial intelligence, tools in Photoshop refer to the advanced features and functionalities that utilize AI algorithms and machine learning techniques to enhance and automate various tasks in the image editing process. These tools leverage the power of AI to streamline workflows, improve efficiency, and achieve impressive results in less time. Let's dive into some of the key AI tools available in Photoshop. 1. Content-aware fill. This feature uses AI algorithms to intelligently analyze the surrounding pixels of a selected area and fill it with visually coherent content. It helps remove unwanted objects, blemishes, or distractions seamlessly from an image. 2. Neural filters. Neural filters in Photoshop provide a wide range of AI-powered filters that can be applied to images. These filters leverage deep learning models to perform tasks like enhancing facial expressions, changing the age or gaze of a person, colorizing black and white photos, or adding artistic effects. 3. Sky replacement. With the AI-powered sky replacement tool, Photoshop can automatically detect the sky in an image and replace it with a different sky of your choice. This tool intelligently blends the new sky with the rest of the image, resulting in a realistic and visually appealing composition. 4. Select subject, object. This feature utilizes AI-based machine learning algorithms to accurately select and isolate the subject or objects in an image. It helps to save time and effort when working with complex selections, allowing for easy background removal or targeted edits. 5. Smart Sharpen. Smart Sharpen is an AI-enhanced sharpening tool that uses advanced algorithms to selectively enhance the sharpness of an image while minimizing the appearance of noise and artifacts. It analyzes the image content and applies the sharpening effect intelligently, resulting in crisper and more refined details. 6. Auto tone and color adjustments. Photoshop's AI tools can automatically analyze and adjust the overall tone and color balance of an image. This feature helps to quickly enhance the exposure, contrast, saturation, and other parameters to achieve a more visually pleasing result. 7. Face-aware liquify. With Face-aware liquify, Photoshop can detect and identify facial features in an image, allowing for precise manipulation and reshaping of facial elements. This tool is particularly useful for retouching and enhancing portraits. 8. Object detection and masking. AI algorithms in Photoshop can automatically detect and identify various objects in an image, making it easier to create accurate masks or selections. This feature simplifies complex tasks like separating foreground elements from the background or isolating specific objects for targeted edits. These are just a few examples of the AI tools available in Photoshop. Adobe continues to integrate more AI-powered features into the software, providing photographers, designers, and digital artists with powerful tools to enhance their creative workflows. So these are some AI tools in Photoshop. Hope you like it all. If you got information by this AI video, follow for more updated and new release video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in next video.